Consider an example. We have values of x, we have values of y. So we'll see how to calculate the mean of x, mean of y, variance of x, variance of y, then correlation of x and y, and regression equation y on x. So we can see here 6 plus 2 8, so it is 30. Y we have 32, so we can calculate as mean of x equal to summation x divided by n. So summation x is 30 divided by, there are 5 observations, so it is 6. Similarly, mean of y, which is equal to summation y divided by n, which is equal to 32 divided by 5, is equal to 6.4. So we get mean of x as 6, mean of y as 6.4. Now we'll calculate the variance of x. To get the variance of x, we required x square. Similarly, we want to calculate variance of y, so I will write y square. And we want to get the covariance, so I will write x into y. So we require these quantities. So 6 square is 36, 4, 10 square is 100, 16, 64, make the total as, it is 220. Similarly, y square 64, 100, 16, 36 and 16. So we get 232 as the total. X into y 48, 20, 40, 24, 32. So we make the total, so we get 164. So we have sum of x values, sum of y values, sum of x square, sum of y square, and summation of x into y. Now we calculate the variance of x. So variance of x is given as 1 by n minus 1, as it is sample, summation x square minus summation x whole square divided by n. So we get 1 by 4 into summation x square is 220 minus summation x is 30 square, so 30 into 30 divided by 5, so 5 into 6, so 180. So 1 by 4, 220 minus 180, which is equal to, we get 40 divided by 4, which is equal to 10. So variance of x is 10. Now we will calculate the variance of y. So similarly, we have summation y square minus summation y whole square divided by n and whole divided by n minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 into summation y square is 232 minus summation y is 32 into 32 divided by 5, which is equal to 6.54. So we have 232 minus 32 into 6.4, 204.5 0.8 whole divided by 4. So we get 232 minus 204.8, which is equal to 27.2 whole divided by 4, which is equal to 6.8. 6.8. So this is the variance of y. Now we will calculate the covariance of x and y. Covariance of xy is given as 1 by n minus 1 summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n. So we have summation xy is 164 minus 30 into 32 divided by 5 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4 into how much we get. So this is 6, 32 into 6, 192. So 164 minus 192. So 164 minus 192 is equal to minus 28 whole divided by 4. So we have covariance is equal to minus 7. Now we will write into a new page all these quantities such as mean of x bar equal to 6, y bar equal to 6.4, then variance of x because it is sample is 10, variance of y 6.8, and covariance of xy which is equal to minus 7. So these are the things we require to calculate the correlation analysis. Now the correlation is given as between x and y. We can write as covariance of xy whole divided by square root of variance of x square root of variance of y, which is equal to minus 7 whole divided by square root of 10 square root of 6.8. So we can make minus 7 whole divided by square root of 10 into square root of 6.8, which is equal to 8.2462. So 7 divided by 8.2462, which is equal to 0.8488. So correlation is minus 0.8488. Now I will write the regression equation y on x. This can be written as y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x plus e. So beta 1 can be calculated as covariance of xy divided by variance of x, which is equal to minus 7 divided by 10, which is equal to 0.7 minus. Now we calculate beta 0, which is equal to y bar minus beta 1 x bar, which is equal to 6.4 minus 0.7 into 6. So we have 0.7 into 6, 4.2, 6.4 plus minus 4.2, which is equal to 10.6. So we can write y equal to 10.6 plus, sorry, because it is minus, y equal to 10.6 minus 0.72x. Similarly, here we can also calculate the correlation using another formula, which is equal to Rxy given as n summation xy minus summation x into summation y whole divided by square root of n summation x square minus summation x whole square n summation y square minus summation y whole square, which is equal to 5 summation xy is 164 minus summation x is 30, 32 whole divided by 5 into summation x square is 220, summation x is 30 minus, sorry, into 5, summation y square is 232 minus 32 square. So we make 5 into 164, 820 minus 960 whole divided by, this will write 220 into 5, 1100 minus 30 square, which is equal to 200. So square root of 200 into 232 into 5, 1160 minus 32 square to 136. So we have 820 minus 960 minus 140 divided by square root of 200 is 14.14 to square root of 136, 11.662, which is equal to, so I will write 140 as it is now, 14.142 into 11.662, 164.924, 140 divided by 164.924, which is equal to, you can see, minus 0.8488. So similarly, we have the correlation as 0.8488.